Hello, scientists. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I hope you enjoyed learning about the structure and the function of the brain. We know the structure of the brain is what it looks like. What are its parts? Our brain is soft. It weighs about 3 pounds. It has 2 sides. It's light. It sits under our skull. So our skull's function is to protect our brain, our soft brain. And the function of our brain is the boss of our body. It helps us balance and move. It helps us stay safe because if I was to touch something that was hot, our body will react. My brain says, no, move your hand. So our brain has a lot of important functions. It helps us learn and remember. It is the boss. And we are going to continue our learning today about the structure and function of our body, and we're going to be learning about our heart. Now, this book is about the heart and the lungs, and the heart and lungs work together. So that's why they're written in one book, but we're just going to focus on the heart today. So you'll be thinking about what is the structure of the heart, what does it look like, and what is its function. My Heart and Lungs, An Exciting Way to Learn About Your Body by Sally Hewitt. Here's our title page. My Heart and Lungs. Here is our table of contents. We're going to stop at lungs on page 12. We'll focus on those pages in a few days. So, what is your heart? Your heart is a strong muscle. It is about the size of your fist. It has 2 pumps that push your blood around your body. Your heart sits just to the left of the middle of your chest. So here's the middle of my chest here. And if I move my fist this way, and that to the left, that's about where my heart sits. So here we think about hearts being this shape, but really this is just a symbol for love. That is not what the heart looks like inside of our body. Your heart never stops working. It pumps your blood all day and all night to every part of your body. Your brain, your lungs, your skin and muscles need blood to keep them working properly. Here a doctor uses a stethoscope to listen to the boy's heart. Here your heart doesn't work as hard when you are asleep. When you wake up and start moving, it beats faster. Heartbeat. Your heart is hollow, which means it has empty space inside. The space fills up with blood. Then your heart muscles squeeze and push the blood out again. Your heart beats every time your heart muscles squeeze tight. So you can kind of think of a balloon. If you fill a balloon with water, you can think of your heart as filling up with blood. And if you were to squeeze that balloon with water in it, what's going to happen to the water? It's going to squish out, right? Well, same thing happens with your heart. When your heart beats or squeezes, the muscle squeezes, it pushes blood out of it. There are 2 sides of your heart, the left side and the right side. Each side has 2 rooms or chambers. The right side of your heart pumps blood into your lungs to collect oxygen. The left side of your heart pumps blood into your body. So you can think of these spaces are hollow, but they're filled with blood. So blood goes in and blood goes out of your heart constantly, again, when it's beating or pumping. Veins and arteries. Your heart pumps your blood into tubes called blood vessels. Blood vessels called arteries carry blood away from your heart to every other part of your body, from your head to your feet. Blood vessels called veins bring blood back to your heart. So I like to think of the veins and arteries as being like the roads of your body. All these little roads that are carrying the blood. When you exercise, your body warms up and sometimes your skin turns red. This is because blood rushes to the blood vessels in your skin to keep you cool. Around and around. Your blood is always moving around your body and through your heart. This movement is called circulation. It takes less than a minute for your heart to pump blood to every part of your body. Only 1 minute for your heart to get all the blood from the top to your bottom. It's always circulating, going round and around like a cycle. So if the veins and arteries are like roads, then the blood is like a delivery truck. It carries oxygen from your lungs and goodness from your food to every part of your body. Your blood is full of tiny cells which carry the oxygen. These cells give your blood its red color. If you fall and cut yourself, your blood drives into a hard scab and your skin heals underneath the scab. Our body's always making new blood. Feel the beat. When you are working hard, if you're running, for example, or jumping, your body needs more oxygen from your blood, so your heart beats faster. And that's also why you breathe harder. The harder you breathe, the faster your heart beats, the more blood is flowing through your body and oxygen. You can feel your heart beat in the blood vessels on your wrists. This is called your pulse. So if you feel, sometimes you can feel your heart beating or working, pumping. I also like to feel it here, right on the side of my neck. That is your blood being pumped through your body. So what we're going to do is we're going to stop there because it's going to start teach us about our lungs. And I want you to be thinking about the structure of your heart and the function of the heart. So what does the heart look like? What are the parts and pieces? And then the function. What does your heart do? Have a good day.